Hello guys, my name is Manuel Saricol and this is my web development app project number 2. For this project, I have used Vue.js and Beautify as my front end with a Node.js background. I have used Firebase as a way of authenticating my web app and storing my data in the database. Once we are logged in, we're directed to the home page of my web app. Here, I have used a Beautify component called Carousel to display the images. These images aren't stored in any database, so we're gonna be displayed with the same images every time. I have used an array to display these images, and I am traversing through every images and using the Vue.js standard to display them. Here, once we try and add a new image, it's not stored anywhere. So if we were to refresh the web page, we will come back to 3 images. Next, I'm gonna show you the CRUD section of my web app by displaying the GSW players. In my Firebase database, I have used 2 collections called Players and World Champions. Next, we're gonna try add a new player. Once we click save, we should be able to display or see that newly added player on the player list. Also, we should be able to see that newly added document on the Firebase database, which I will show later. Once we click save, we should be prompted a message saying that it is successfully added. Now once we go back, we should see Kevin Durant. I will now show you the newly added document in the database in Firebase. For every delete in my web app, we have prompted a confirmation message. Next, we're gonna try and edit a single player. For this function, I have used the Beautify component called vcard, as we are able to edit a player without going to a new web page. As I click save, we should see the new information. Next, we are going to the NBA World Championship Records webpage, where I have 2 CRUD functionalities of delete and add. In this webpage, I have used data table to display the information which I retrieved from my database in the collection called World Champions in Firebase. As we add a new collection, we should be able to see this new data in the database later. As we go back, we can see from the bottom right that it has turned from 8 to 9, and as we go to the next section, we have seen the new data added at the very end. I have also introduced authentication in my web app. Now as we log out and as we try to go to any web page, we should be able to go to them as we are not logged in. So now we are going to use the Firebase authentication to sign up. As we click sign up, we are directed back to the home page. And we are able to go visit those web pages again. Now as we go to the Firebase, we can see the new added user. I will now show you again the database, 2 collections, players and world champions, list of players, collections, finally the world champions, which consists of world champions in a certain year. We have now reached the end. Thank you so much for listening. Feel free to visit my GitHub. I will be putting down the link for this repo and have a look at the code yourself. Thank you.